Chase. Let's go journey into the kitchen and find something to eat.
Ain't nothing in here.
Oh my god, it's black.
It's what?
It's black.
It's what?
Chase, where'd you go?
It is weird.
Whoa, that's actually a really cool. Using the light from this and then also. Oh man, that looks really cool. Who goes there?
Great, now everybody's awake.
What's your name?
We got some Bojangles chicken.
Where? Oh, I flipped it upside
Are you
down.
looking inside my fridge?
Yeah.
Look at that. This is the saddest looking fridge I've ever seen.
You got some.
We got 2 different kinds of lettuce.
Y'all got so many eggs.
Dude, you're not supposed to order 10,000 eggs.
You don't tell me what to do.
I got some croissants in there.
Look at
There's
me.
some peppers. You can slap some of those down.
I want a meal. I didn't eat before I came here.
Oh, there's
It's in the
some
fridge.
waffles, some toaster strudels.
All right, now we're talking.
There's some
That's
chicken
real
biscuits.
food. I'll eat a
There's
chicken
some
biscuit.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Get some of those. I'll give you some more maybe.
Okay. I want some more of that really bad grape juice you made.
Is it bad?
Oh man, you guys have corn dogs in the back?
Oh yeah, you can eat it from
Dude, I'm gonna eat a mini corn dog.
You might have to use the microwave though.
Oh, that's gonna be loud.
Okay, well you can use the oven.
Oh, that's gonna be weird. I forgot this recording.
What? Make sure you get my good side.
This looks like a 90s MTV video.
It does?
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib. See, we got everything around here, yo.
Yeah.
We got a wave of micro.
Oh snap.
We got an oven.
Mhm,
We got the
mhm.
stove top.
Ooh.
Boy, we got tortillas.
Oh,
we got
snap.
everything up in here.
Yeah.
Look inside of this fridge.
That's a fridge, all
We
right.
got waffles,
Ooh.
corn,
Mhm.
broccoli,
Ooh.
toaster strudels, healthy choice. And inside the refrigerator, we got eggs,
Oh,
eggs,
wow.
peppers,
Yeah.
eggs,
Yes.
Capri Suns,
Okay.
eggs, Bojangles, eggs.
You got a lot of eggs. Why I have so many eggs?
I like
What are you
eggs.
cooking? All right, I'm gonna set it down.
Throw it back. We got some snacks in here. We got some oatmeal cream pie. Where's the corn dogs here? I had to learn today that plural of pie is pinuses.
You're lying.
I'm not. It's pinuses. I'm being dead serious.
You're lying.
No, it's pinuses. I get to not like pies. It's actually pinuses.
We try to get a mouthful about pineapples.
I'm playing with you. That'd be so dumb.
Pinuses. So I was looking at the package and it said these are fully cooked. So it stopped me from just eating them right now.
Seriously gonna bite into one of them? Cold?
Oh. Oh. I didn't like it.
You get the dog part.
No.
You only got to the hot. Yeah, we gotta get a nice view of that oven, obviously.
Get in there, get in there.
Wow, this is hot.
Yeah, it's really hot in there.
This is up cooking.
Alright.
You'll have a meal fit for an 8-year-old.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much what I am.
Yeah.
I'm just like 2 of those, basically.
So, welcome to my kitchen. We have bananas
Okay.
and nectarines
Yes.
and 500 pieces of puzzle.
Wow. What am I trying to like
Change
get
the
shots of it?
camera.
I'm trying to get shots of it with my camera.
Is because you're in my home, Chase. I'm gonna call you Chase.
Yeah, me, you.
This is my pantry.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
I have Peen Rigate.
Oh, sorry, what?
Peen Rigate.
Peen Rick.
Peen Rigate. I can't read. Gosh. We got off-brand. What are these?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tarts. Yes. Off-brand Pop-Tarts. Had nanyards and everything. We got Grites. We got New Orleans. Oh look, man. I don't know. We got New Orleans style jambalaya. We got well, that's just Jiffy. We got brown sugar barbecue sauce.
Yeah, make sure I keep track how long my food's in the oven.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got syrup. I haven't used syrup in so long. Yeah, no, we got some soup. Everybody likes soup.
I'm not a huge fan of soup. Like, I'll eat it if it's there. I'm not gonna go out my way.
Everybody likes soup.
Okay, sure.
We got beans of many varieties. We got pinto, black, kidney, black, red northern, baked, corn, green. All those are bean varieties.
That's true.
We got bread. I'm pretty sure that's expired actually. Ew. Look, Chase, you don't wash dishes to the best of your ability. Sometimes they're a little dirty. Look at that. What is that? What is that, huh? Talking about me.
Looks like there's a booger in there.
Yeah, no, that's probably like oil.
Why do you have a bread box if you just keep the bread on top of the box?
That's where the napkins go.
That's really funny. Hey,
So, yeah.
James, put the camera on me.
What? Are we talking about? Oh, no.
Use a little dilution.
Yeah, don't do that. That's my sugar. I got a better idea, though. Is it still recording? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool.
You got a full 7 minutes.
I got a better idea. This right here, this is the hold the camera for me. Hold the camera so I can untie
I
this.
got you.
Oh, no, we're gonna get a bigger spoon than that. This is for me. What are you doing? Yeah, I know. This is for you. I'm gonna get a bigger spoon than that.
Wait, what are you talking about?
You want sugar, don't you?
Wait, what's happening? Jeez, you're scaring me. That's a big spoon. Those are 2 big spoons.
Which one would you prefer?
I like this. Oh no, it looks a little dirty.
Yeah, it was, man. I apologize. I'll get
Chase, you don't wash dishes to the best of your ability.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go with this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that one.
Okay, so what
Yep.
we're gonna do right here.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Open your mouth.
Wait. Isn't there another way?
Alright, so what we have here is sugar. Open. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. It'll be hard to take in. Alright, here comes the cheeky train. I drink some of that Kool-Aid. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go get a broom. How's it taste?
It's delicious.
Is it? It's like we've been hanging out with Donald Trump all week. He's been doing cocaine.
No, that's been a little bit.
Ugh.
I don't know where it is.
Sure, a little bit, like it's not over my feet. That's where your sugar dust is.
I feel like Tyrone Biggums. How do I look? Sugar's all in my nose and mouth. You clean up real good, boy. That's why I like to see a hardworking black man.
I barely know how to sleep.
Slavery part 2.
Electric boogaloo.
How long has my stuff been in the oven?
Who knows?
About 6 minutes, maybe. Yeah, let's look at it. Wait, let me get the light. What? Move your gigantic butt cheeks.
Yeah.
They're brown. Look at those brown boys.
Let me guess.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to do this without it looking weird. I gotta wipe all the sugar off the bottom.
Oh, what's going on?
Cough it all. Don't cough up this sugar.
Don't shove a spoonful of sugar in my mouth.
You said you wanted sugar.
I was fine with what I had.
Okay, do you feel any sugar on your...
You know what I like to do? I like to suck on feet. My name's James and I like to suck feet. Feet is the things that I like to eat. I put them in my mouth and I throw them on my tongue. Yeah, I'm a nasty motherfucker. I'm really bad at it. I can't freestyle, dude.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you talked about feet. Yeah, this is James and he likes to suck feet. Half the time he's beating his meat. The other half he's sucking on feet. Those are the two things. Feet and meat. No, okay, we can definitely do something better than that.
Oh, that was kind of funny though.
Because you start talking about sucking on toes. Why would you ever start something off about sucking on toes?